Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your WordPress website, whether for backup or migration purposes. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access all the features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription that costs $40. And a lot of these features are starting a WooCommerce website and installing and upgrading plugins, which we're gonna use in this tutorial. So make sure to pay for the subscription. Now I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally by telling you the instructions, and if you follow them you'll be able to export a WordPress website in no time. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to use the built-in export tool. And to do that you have to log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you're gonna go to tools in the left sidebar right here and select export. From here, click on export all to export all text contents, pages, posts, feedbacks from your site. Now let's click on export all, and you're gonna wait for the exporting process. After that, click on download to download the file to save the XML file to your computer. The second way is to export via plugins. For a complete export, including themes, plugins, and database, install a plugin like All-in-One WP Migration. You can go to plugins right here. As I said before, it requires a paid subscription. Just search for All-in-One WP Migration right here and click on it and select this one. And if you have the subscription, you're gonna click on upgrade and activate and follow the prompts and steps, and you're gonna install it. After installing it, use the plugin to export your site as a single file. Now for the third way, you can manually export files and database. Just use an FTP client like FileZilla to download your WordPress files, then export the database via PHPMyAdmin by selecting your database and clicking export. Now for additional tips, always back up your site before making major changes and test the exported file by importing it in another WordPress installation to ensure completeness. And that's it. That's how you export a WordPress website. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.